Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add link in Google Docs. So let's go quick into the process. So let me just quickly open my Google Docs. And here I want to simply create or add a YouTube link or the YouTube link or the youtube.com link here in Google Docs. Now let me quickly type YouTube. Now I want to simply make this word or just add link in this word or make this word a link to open youtube.com. So let's go quick into it. It's very easy. You just need to simply select the word. Now let me increase the font size. Select the word by moving the cursor. And here you have to simply click on insert. And under the insert, you will find this option, link. Click on that. Now search or paste a link. So I opened youtube.com in here. So you just need to go ahead in the search bar and then simply copy the link. And then control C the link and then go to the Google Docs. Paste it here. Now click on apply. Now earlier it was just a plain word, but if I'm going to click on it, this will open youtube.com. Okay, so as easy as that. Now another way, or let's make another example. Let's have Google. So you just need to simply select this and there's a shortcut. Simply press Control key on keyboard. It's Control key. And the same window will appear to insert a link. Now we can simply type the link in here. Google www.google.com. Click on apply. And if I'm going to double click on it and then click on this link, now the link has been added. And there you go, we can simply access to Google. So that's it. That's how you can easily add a link in Google Docs. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.